Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a super short tip. I just installed the Iron Rock Offroad rear frame stiffeners for my 97 XJ. I'm not going to do a how-to video on this. Bleepin' Jeep does an awesome how-to video. I believe it's time-lapsed. It's like 6 minutes. Great tips, with one exception. In their video, they recommend taking a heat gun and a paint scraper to take off all of the undercoating off of the frame. I tried that. It did not work for me. I don't know if it's because my XJ is just so old, but it wasn't wanting to heat it up and pull it off. What I ended up using was a circular wire brush hooked up to the drill. I don't know what they're called. Wire brush thing on the drill. Either way. That went right through it, took it off, no problems whatsoever. As you can see right in here, my welding's not great, but it did turn out fine for what it is. As much frame was already rusted away. Adding this in there more as a replacement than as a full-on just stiffener, I think it's going to make it better than it was. But that's it. Just real quick, wanted to give you guys an update of what's going on. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out.